shit.
This is gonna be so much fun.
He just died. You look like you just died.
Die.
I felt like this is like a Skrillex video. Word on the street, I'm a suspect.
Mine is right here.
This is really ugly. What's ugly?
Where my battery at?
Like the way that. What the hell are you watching?
Probably some more porn.
Mic check, mic check, mic check. T2 Radio. We on sound check if you listening live.
Hey.
Mic check, mic check, mic check. T2 Radio. We on sound check if you listening live. Hey. Mic check, mic check, mic check. T2 Radio. We on sound check if you listening live.
Ugly. Terrible. You sounded hella close. You said, yeah, you need to like turn that shit. And can you search them properly when need?
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. What a bomb!
I forgot you're like hardcore.
Hardcore.
Bruh, what?
Rolling on the street of a suspect.
Suspect. Yes. What's up?
Check, check, check.
Teacher
Radio.
It's at my home.
Nah, he ain't put new beats in there.
I was at work all. I thought about it.
He was working all day.
I was too fucking tired. So.
Nah.
I barely put together a list.
He thought ahead of time.
I barely put together a list.
The devil is alive.
That's all the songs I have for today.
Bitch, I'm alive.
You better get sell stuff while you at it.
The devil is alive.
Nah, man.
No. Ooh.
Why is it so loud? God.
Michael Jordan.
I can't even talk close to the Jordan. Me? Like, I'm like all the way over here. I mean, is it that loud coming through the speaker?
It might be just
the
room.
Like, you could leave this volume if it's different coming through. Like, if it's different coming through, then, yeah. What the fuck is this? Hey, chill out. Niggas
it might be
funny.
just the acoustics of the room.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the niggas and the niggas. The nigga jacks. My motherfucking name. It is. That's why I wanted, like, to stop at 7-Eleven. Marcus being a coon. Damn. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. No sweating.
Yes. So I've had this for a long time. So don't judge me.
I can't judge you. I'm not able to judge you. I'm not. I gotta throw the hat.
Be careful. There's a ceiling. That hat disappears, bro. I need you to do this money dance.
You gotta do this money dance, yo.
Yeah.